Idwe lona paka district kesda ludi lele bai lipana rotomano rotin ludo Kampala anuda etengem keda ibba koro luda inepito sotomano kali ya kech. Idotomano sabitini uni luda tuboros idwe ledo leta kaisara luyare kesda epone jekun na nede jasi ngunu lude ya itosim ayanganaro nada idwa alwai pakasa kinga.
In the last 3 weeks as Napak District District Security Committee, we have been able to rescue 15 children who are on their way to Kampala. Some are going to Jinja, Busia. These have been reintegrated into the community. In the last 2 days, we were able to get 7 more children, and of these we have been tracing the families and we have been able to get them. These are going back into the community, reintegration into the community.
Idwe police lona paka district keza pote kamuti tungayare lude jenara no ikeda isubisa na gwela na Idwe.
We have taken Beye Asman, male adult 35 years, and Isa Kampli Sagal Anna, female adult, both residents of Toyepetoto, Irir Sub-County, Napak District, to Moroto Chief Magistrate Court to answer charges of child trafficking. Beye Asman and Sagal Anna were nabbed by police in the above address after a tip-off from the community. Both culprits were arrested at their village in Toyepetoto, with the 4 children whom they had prepared to take to Nairobi for casual labor. We thank the community for the high level of vigilance they have exhibited and reporting perpetrators of child trafficking to police in their area. The 2 culprits will serve as example to others who are intending to commit the crime of child trafficking.
Ours as a district has been a call upon the parents for responsibility, that the responsibility of a child lies in the hands of the parents. The parents have to be responsible. Now what we are pushing for the District Security Committee is to make the parent responsible. We have punishments that we have made the parents go through, community service as one of them, and numerous other punishments that are going on to the parents whose children are returned to them in the district of Napak. We have an exercise that is ongoing, a sensitization exercise to make sure that the parents know what their children go through when they go to Kampala. It is not all roses as they think or as it is preached to them. Very many of the parents have neglected their roles as parents and have left the responsibility of taking care of the families to the young children.
Anyono la palo ito montaro karuaje ito nilolo Idwe ledo leta kwa teoni kesda jekuna nede jase itonga luda idada na reke salo stai pakas Idwe lunyeza daunu kopekwa na ititinki nede jasake sauriak konyedo kwa nam Idwe lepo akesi kesda bapedo saisi abongo ribobo. Godfred Eyokum, TV East, Napak.